What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I should honestly be welcoming myself back because I have not been on YouTube in so long, which honestly is the purpose of me making this vlog today. This video is going to be very chill, very casual, just giving you guys a life update. Very exciting things happened and are currently happening. And I just wanted to give you guys an update on kind of what's been going on. I think I might vlog over the next maybe couple of days just to show you guys what I'm up to and give you guys some like tours and little hauls here and there. I did go shopping today after work, so I'll give you guys a little haul there. When I say tours, I mean, which is part of the update of different parts of our house. So yeah, let's just start with the actual life update. So I am still currently working. I'm a teacher if you guys are new. Most of you guys probably know that already. Still teaching. I would say the biggest life update is the fact that I am currently pregnant. I'm 7 months pregnant. You heard me correctly, 7 months pregnant. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already know this because Carlos and I filmed, well, we had a videographer film like an announcement video and we posted that a couple months back. It came out so nice. Like I had a vision and I kind of told the videographer what we were wanting and she really pulled through. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'll leave my Instagram linked below. And I didn't upload that video to YouTube because I think it would get copyrighted and probably taken down. So go check it out on Instagram. Follow me over there if you're not following me. Just an exciting time. So yeah, I am pregnant. Baby boy is due December 10th. So he is a Christmas baby for sure. So naturally, with all of that being said, you can probably see why we've been busy. First of all, I did not realize, this is my first child, I did not realize how many doctor's appointments go into having a child. Like, wow, it is absolutely unbelievable. So doctor's appointments, me quickly realizing, because when I bought this house 5-6 years ago, which I took you guys along with me when I first bought this house, like I can't believe it's been that long. I don't know if I mentioned it in any of the like moving vlogs, but this was never supposed to be like a forever home. It was going to be, I always said it was my 5-year home. Well, it's now been 6 years. Never did I think I was going to like be in this house when I got married or have kids, but that is currently the situation. It's definitely plenty big to have, you know, myself and Carlos and a child, but we had to make some sacrifices here. So I'm currently sitting in the film room, or what was the film room, against the closet doors, because it is no longer a film room. We have turned it into the nursery. So I'll give you guys just a little sneak peek of the nursery. It's coming along. It's super cute. Everything is very neutral. I'm one of those boring moms that likes neutral everything. But it's coming along. It's super cute. And I think this is probably where I'll be filming my videos from here on out because I have no other space in the house to really film. So with all of that being said, I'm sure you can only imagine that from here on out, my content might look a little bit different. I do have a Princess Polly try-on haul coming up soon, which I'm very excited about. So I do still plan on doing like clothing try-on hauls. But there is definitely going to be some mommy content coming your way. Hauls, nursery tour, so on and so forth. I do plan on, because I did pack up all of my like super good filming equipment, my lights, my big camera, the huge tripod. I packed all of that away. It's like up in the closet. So I don't plan on having that out all the time. I plan on using this camera, which is my vlogging camera. So I feel like most of my content maybe from here on out might be more vlog style, like mommy vlogs or just day in my life type vlogs. But we'll see. I don't know where this journey is going to take us. I don't even know if I'm going to have time to film, but I really, really want to because I want to document this crazy journey. Okay, with all of that being said, other things that have been going on is we are kind of under construction here at the house because, fun fact, about 2 months ago, I was mid-shower, you guys. The entire pipe, like where the shower head is, just came right out of the wall. Right out. Honey, I was shocked. I looked down at that pipe and I thought, So I turned the water off. I tried to screw it back in, but like the end of the pipe and like a hole in the wall was rusted. So I was like, well, that's not gonna work now, is it? This house was built in the 1950s. It's old. I know the pipes and stuff are probably old. My plan when I first moved in was I wanted to remodel at least the showers in both bathrooms. I just never really got around to doing it. So we took this as the perfect excuse to finally get it done. So not only are we probably gonna have people at the house pretty often once the baby comes, especially like Carlos's family, because they live in a different city. It's about an hour away. So we have a guest bedroom that they can always stay in. Obviously, if they're gonna spend the night, they're probably gonna want to shower. I don't want pipes falling out of the walls. So we're in the middle of getting both bathrooms, well, the shower parts remodeled, which I'm so excited about. One of them is almost done, you guys. It is perfection, literal perfection. I can't even deal. Also, I don't remember if I posted it to YouTube. I know I made some TikTok videos, but we, and by we I mean mostly Carlos, added a huge pantry off of our kitchen. With a 1950s house, the kitchen is very small. We needed more room badly, so we added a pantry. There was like a normal, like rectangular doorway going into the pantry. We had the contractors arch it out and widen it, so it just looks like an extension of the kitchen. It is absolutely beautiful. So now we're thinking, maybe we can remodel the kitchen a little bit too. So Carlos and I don't know if that's something we want to do ourselves or if we want to have the contractor do it. We're still trying to figure that out. This week, the contractors will come and start working on this second bathroom, and then they'll pretty much be done. But there's been a lot going on because they get here super early. So that means we have to be up super early, and it's just a lot. So that's pretty much what has been going on. A lot of construction work at the house, trying to prep for baby. Every time I go out, you guys, buying baby stuff is a true obsession. Like, it's bad. It's so bad. So I actually went after work today to Burlington, which I have not been in probably years. I have not been to Burlington Coat Factory. And I got some baby stuff, and I was thinking I would do a little haul if you guys are even interested in seeing what I got. So, I mean, why not do that now? So first off, I want to start by saying I have not had my baby shower yet. So I'm trying not to go super overboard, but it's very difficult because the nursery is damn near fully set up. I know. It's a problem, okay? Haven't even had the baby shower yet. Yet this whole nursery is just filled with stuff. So this is the bag of the stuff I got. So the first thing is, because he's gonna be born December 10th, so just in time for Christmas, is this really cute little ornament. I like it because it's like neutral, but then also has a pop of Christmas, and it's just for his one little footsie print. It's so cute. And it was only $4.99. The next thing is this O-ball. This is just like a classic for the super young ones, because they're able to, like, not only is it colorful, but like they're able to like grasp it super easily, and it was only $2.99, so I picked that up. As I signed up for registries with different stores, most of them you were able to get like a free like welcome bag or welcome box filled with goodies. And I got from all of those boxes probably a variety of like 4 different types of bottles. And I hear you're supposed to get a variety, just buy like 1 or 2 of each. And then same with pacifiers, because you're not sure which ones your baby will even like. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, Tommy Tippy, and I did not get any of these in any of the boxes, so I saw them at Burlington. $12.99 for 4 of them. I thought that was a decent price. Like I said, I've heard a lot of kiddos really love these, and I figured we would give it a try. I don't know. Listen, I'm very new to this whole thing, but I've also been watching like baby shower hauls and like mom vlogs for years, just because I'm like obsessed with it. I don't know why. So I don't know. I'm just like going based off of what other people have liked. Next thing I got was a super cute book called 10 Little Llamas. It was $3.99 and I just liked it because it was super colorful. Like, although the nursery is very neutral, I don't, like, his whole world is not gonna be neutral, you know? That's why I feel like moms get so much hate on, like, oh, you have such a sad beige baby. Like, you should see my baby's wardrobe. Literally everything is brown and beige. Okay, you hear so much crap about it, but it's like the whole world isn't gonna be beige, you know what I mean? It's just, I want a calm, peaceful nursery. Other things in his life can be colorful, like the outside world and books and toys. So I just thought this book was super cute. It kind of is like similar to Five Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed, where every page the amount of llamas goes down. So that'll be really fun to read to him, and when he gets older to be able to like count the llamas with him. Next thing, I don't necessarily find it to be the cutest thing in the world, but it does fit into my neutral colors scheme. I'm not a huge fan of, like, I don't want to say prints. I don't know. It's decent, but I thought it was, I mean, it was definitely the cutest thing at Burlington. But I heard another mom say some of these like side wrap onesies are really good for like skin to skin or like super fast, like easy access when changing him. So I got this little 3 set. It was only $9.99. The first one is just like a gray with all these neutral little animals. Then you have a white one with very simple animals, and then like a burnt orange one. So I thought it was cute. It's not like 10 out of 10, but it's like an 8 out of 10. It's decent. Okay, last thing I got were some like receiving blankets, baby blankets that I'm probably not even going to use as an actual blanket. These will probably be for bath time, for laying on his bath, you know, getting it wet with some warm water, and then maybe another one or even like a washcloth on top of him to keep him warm when we're bathing him. So this is the first set. It's from Carter's and it was $8.99 for 4 blankets. I thought that was a super good deal. This one is cute. It just has little animals and cactus. Oh my god, a little like camper attached to a car. That is so cute. The other one is just stripes, and then this one is stripes, and this one is just a plain like blue color. So can't go wrong with that. And then this is a 7-pack of blankets for $11.99, and it's more, still very neutral, but it's more like gray toned, which I'm still not even a huge fan of gray, but I don't hate it. But I thought these were really cute too, and especially if we're just going to be using them every day or whatever for bath time, you can't go wrong. So that was everything for my little baby haul. I do plan on filming like a nursery tour and stuff in the future. I feel like a little snippet is good for now because I want it to be finished before I show you guys like in detail what I got and where everything is from. But yeah, I am going to go to Home Depot now because with house projects comes a lot of trips to Home Depot. So that is where Carlos and I are going right now. But I will see you guys in a bit.